Every day fate comes at us like a pair of dice. Some days we're lucky, some days we're not. But now you can test your sense of fate. It's time to play Lucky No Lucky. A careless pedestrian climbs over a railroad barrier and casually crosses the tracks. Seconds later, another man appears and tries to do the same thing. But this man jumps directly into the path of a speeding commuter train. Is this fence jumper fast enough to beat that train? Or will they have to scoop him up off the pavement with a crane? You decide.